To replace your air filters on an M156 motor, take a T25 Torx with a drill. You're going to have one bolt there, one bolt there. You're going to have one bolt there. You're going to have one bolt there. Undo that. One bolt there, and this whole thing will come right off like that. You're going to want to vacuum inside there. There's going to be some leaves potentially. Don't remove this filter, but you are going to remove the old filters, which are right here. As you can see, it's very dirty. And replace it with a brand new, use only OEM filters, which is MON or MAHO, I believe it's pronounced.